with his fielding. And Ahmad Butt, he has been the man for Mirpur Royals who brought the team back. And now this man, Shahid Afridi, can he do what he's always known for? You can see the roar, you can hear the roar of the crowd. Everyone is so excited that he's playing this match, playing this league.
What do you say? Mid-wicket, is it? In the air, he's hit it hard. The fielder's right there and won't get to it. Shahid Afridi welcomes Muzaffarabad with that big one.
Living up to his expectations. This is what the crowd wants from him, and this is what they get. Shahid Afridi, 6 of the very first delivery. He used the crease really well, moved to the offside, flicked it off his hips, and it's off for the maximum. Excellent.
When he hits it, they stay hit. Then he's hit the biggest sixes all across the world, the grounds he's played on. You offer him pace and he loves that, man. That's what Sameen Gul did. Had good bounce for it. He'd already shuffled across, if you noticed. He got himself into a good position to play that behind the square on the onside.
So he's shuffled across, played across the line, hit for a 6, and now he's asking his partner what is happening with the pitch or the bowler. That's Shahid Afridi for you.
Yeah, here we are. You can log on to the PSO Facebook page, fb.com/PSOCL, and you can win yourself gift hampers. So don't wait, hurry and log on to their Facebook page, fb.com/PSOCL.
It has not been Sameen's goal day so far. Let's see if he can change that.
And he's hit that one behind the point this time around. He was again shuffling across, but it was bowled wide, just opening the face. He's got enough power on it.
And hitting it to extremes of the ground. First 6 over square leg, and this time through the point region. Shahid Afridi making use of the goal ground, the pitch. Just look how deep he went into the crease and just used the bounce and pace over that point fielder for 4 runs. For 6 runs.
Still got that eye. Loves facing fast bowlers. Pressure's on Sameen Gul. What is the ball next? It's just pretty much spread out field on the onside. Just one man in the circle. But once it hits that bat of Shahid Afridi, you don't really bother about how many are near the ropes. Sameen Gul. Hits it straight, hits it hard. No one to stop that one. That's the 3rd big score in the over. Pressure's on.
And this is what experience can do. He's making the bowler bowl in the region he wants to hit. Uses the crease this time down the wicket, comes down the wicket. He knew he would bowl full because he has got 2 boundaries of the back foot. And this time coming out of the crease. He was going deep in the crease before, now coming down the wicket and hitting it straight. No chance for the bowler.
It's just so amazing to see this. This is the T20 roar that we've been missing for a couple of years now. Where Shahid Afridi is facing, he hits big shots. And the sound in the ground is just deafening. Though we don't have a full house, but it's just so loud here.
Shahid Afridi easily going at 533.33 strike rate. He's already 16 of 3 deliveries.
There's a couple of changes in the field. He's already made up his mind. He's just eyeing which area should I go for now. There was one behind the square on the onside, then just around point, then a straight hit. And he's earned himself 16 of 3.
Practice a late cut on this delivery. Let's see what he has to offer.
Yeah, that works. Pace off works, yes. That should have been the choice earlier on. End of the over, 17 gone, 169 for 4.
Banker Habib
roaring. Good start of the over. Yorker lane. Let's have a look at that. Just back of the hand. Oh, that's the previous over's last ball from Sameen Gul.
It was a very good slow one and also well directed. It was within Shahid Afridi's body. He wanted to play it to the third man region, but because it was too within the body, he was not able to glide it to the third.
That was a good ball. I mean, he played a gamble there. He could have ended up with a low full toss as well. Had to take the pace off, because you can actually see that Shahid Afridi has made up his mind. He's going to go after you.
That's the mind he has made up for 20 years ago, I think.
Yeah, so now what you're going to do is just make him rethink about his plans by taking pace off. It's not that small a ground. He'll probably sky one. There we go. Oh, he's missed the full toss completely. You can see the gesture. He says just lost the ball somewhere.
And Salman Irshad getting the big man on his home city. He's from Kashmir, Salman Irshad, and getting the big wicket of Afridi. How big this moment is for him.
Yeah, the moment the ball hit the stumps, it was Shahid Afridi just making a gesture. He lost it somewhere. It's full toss, and you just hear the sound when the ball hits the stumps. He's like, no way, I didn't see that at all.
He was set up because the square leg fielder was inside the circle, and Afridi tried to hit it too square, missed it completely. Afridi gone for a cameo, 16 runs, Hawks 170 for 5.
Good Yorker, and he's bowled well. First 3 deliveries, they've been good.
And that wicket maiden over from Ahmad Butt has shifted the momentum. Afridi did come to shift that momentum again, but I think at this moment, even though it's 170 for 5, still Mirpur Royals will be happy. This is the delivery. Played it too square, simple full toss missed. And big wicket for Salman Irshad.
The SGR Kashmir Premier League living up to the expectations with some brilliant performances in the first game itself. That's what T20, a good over somewhere does, just takes the momentum off. But that's what's happening, as you said. Previous over, good. This one, first 3 deliveries have been excellent. Here we go. Service tires, grip service jaisi to fikr kaisi. And again, from the start of this innings, the grip has been with the Rawala Hawks. They're holding this game strong.
Good over here, because at one point they were looking that they could go to 220, 230 even with the kind of start they got, but that over from Ahmad Butt really got them back into the game, and that's what now they want to finish. Both the teams would be looking now to finish it well, and it all depends because the pitch looks good. It looks like a good batting track.
He's so accurate with those Yorkers, isn't he? He's just not allowing any room whatsoever.